Kasturi, CEO of CareEdge Global IFSC Limited and Executive Director at Care Ratings Limited. And today we are at this event which is called The Dialogue. It talks about economic resilience and changing world order, which we are witnessing a lot nowadays. So CareEdge Global IFSC Limited is the first credit rating agency from India to do global scale ratings and sovereign ratings. So we launched our operations last year in October 2024 and we have rated 39 countries till date. And we have also assigned ratings to corporates having a debt of close to $4 billion. So we have our operations at GIFT City. And we have registration from IFSCA, which is the regulator in GIFT City.
Okay, what are the major takeaways of this event?
So, firstly, we're talking about economic resilience and the changing world order. So, we kind of trying to understand, in this entire new protectionism regime which has come into play, how are the different continents faring, whether it is Americas, Europe, Asia, Africa. And specifically, if we talk about Asia and India, then what are the triggers that, have an impact on the growth of these different countries? And if I talk about India, how is India, showing more resilience in the turmoils or the global shocks which are emerging? So that's essentially what we are going to discuss today.
What are the major challenges the industry is facing?
So in terms of, which industry you'll have to tell me?
Your rating agency.
Okay. No, so there's no major. What I can say is that we are the first global rating agency from India. So obviously it's a new, fresh perspective that we are offering, and we need to reach this to the maximum number of issuers as well as investors for us to gain acceptability of our ratings in the global marketplace.